Welcome. This episode, we will be building part 5-C3, the Valve Spindle Gland Seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 5-C3, the Valve Spindle Gland Seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go to File, and New. It's going to be MMGS part. We're going to do right view, sketch. Going to do a construction line first. We're going to start there, just move up. Actually, let me just do a diamond. Nope, not diamond, sorry. There we go. That one, that one, that one, and that one will be not construction line. Okay, so this 3 points here will be, okay, not horizontal. Why? Why can't it be horizontal? Okay. Let me take out these two, delete that. Let me put a line across to there. There we go. Now that point should be halfway. That point there's make that join. There we go. All right. So now it's going to be 12 diameter. So we want 6 from here to here. Not too sure what I meant by that. You'll see shortly. That's going to be 4 across. And that's going to be 4 high. So from there to there, 4. Oop, what the heck? Why does that not go higher? Oh, why can't they go higher? What was that locked into? Oh, I got there. 4. There we go. And that point there will be, see, 4 as well. Oh, no. Sorry, that's got to be 2. That's got to be 2. And this one's got to be 4. There we go, smart. Why is that going at an angle? Hold on, something's not quite right there. Let me go construction line. That's not straight there. I think it's construction line there anyway, but if we do these points to here, we go horizontal. There we go. That's better. And this one here should be 4. It is. Okay. Oh, yeah, because it's 6 there. That's right. Yeah, 2, 4. Because we're going to spin this round like the last one we done. So we want to do a feature revolve boss. Arc of Revolution will be that one. And done. But we want to have that Teflon, which is going to be rubber. Where's this rubber for? There's, and that 8mm there, turns out I was correct in the last one, 8mm. Let me open up the piece. Before we do, let me save that one. Let me open up recent, which is going to be C2. So that one there, nope, not there. Oop, that is cut revolve. That's not what I want. Cake extrude. 8mm. Yep. So end up 8mm was correct. So I just want to confirm that. So that shouldn't be changing. So that's part 5-C3 Valve Spindle Gland Seal. done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. A little bit less hassle than the last one. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Appreciate it. Click the like button, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. It does help me out. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.